after like a long break, I'm filming the video today.
Hey you guys, I'm Kanchan and welcome back to my channel, The Glorious Mess. So I took like a hella long break and now I'm back to filming. I actually did like a pageant show and then I got unwell. I got sick. And yeah, so many things like came on the way and still coming on the way, like my exams are coming. But yeah, I need to film at least 2-3 videos before my exams. So yeah, here I am. So today's video is going to be a very exciting one. In this video we're gonna do like a Meesho haul and review all together in this video, as you might have read the title already. I don't really have like all the products with me right now because some are like gifts that I gave to my like friends and all, and friends and family and all that, and some products I do have right here with me. So yeah, I'm gonna do a haul. The products that I don't have right now here, I'm gonna put a picture and yeah, just gonna explain like how it was or whatever. So yeah, you get the point, right? Still so many people who don't know about it. And I mean, Flipkart, Amazon and Urbanic, all these apps are like obviously like at the top, but you cannot just ignore Meesho app. If you like search, do your research right, you can find like very affordable and cheap and great quality product on this app. Meesho is obviously Indian based app, buying and selling app. Selling का तो पता नहीं, but जो भी हमने buy किया है product उसके बारे में तो जो भी पता है, I'm gonna like give you all my experiences in this one. So yeah, let's just quickly get into the video now and start. So the first and the best product I would say I have from Meesho app is this red dress. I love this dress. I'll surely put like a clip of me wearing this dress. It's like very simple ribbed material, like I guess knee length or just above the knee length dress. Slip dress it is, bodycon, very like stretchy, also beautiful, and it looks like very classic, the perfect red. Like on camera you might see it like orangey shade, but it's like the perfect blood red dress. I really wanted a red dress this time for my birthday, I guess. Like around my birthday I wanted to gift myself a red dress, and I found this perfect and really very cheap dress. I just found this for about like in 300 range only I would say. It was my first buy I guess from Meesho, and I also got like 100 rupee off. Yeah, you always get like 100 rupee off on your first purchase. Isn't that great? I mean, I just got 100 rupee off on this dress. I just got it for about 200 or something, like below 300 I would say, and it's amazing. It feels great on me, and yeah, I love this dress. Next product that I have and I love from Meesho is this round like buckle belt. I was searching it on like every other app, like I won't say the names now, and sabhi apps pe like it was like the price was like more than Meesho app only. So yeah, I found it cheapest on Meesho. So yeah, I love it and I bought it. So another great product from Meesho. So next product that I don't have right now is like those clip lights I bought from Meesho, and I guess like every product in this like haul would be in range of 300 only, not more than that. I am telling you, मैं बहुत सस्ता ही माल खरीदती हूँ. So yeah, I like keep like searching सबसे cheapest कहाँ पे है. So yeah, those clip lights I bought like 2 of them, like one for myself and one for my best friend. The video I did with her, like gift swap video, in that you can see the clip lights wala like lights, and those are awesome. Like I have had them for like months now and they're working like pretty fine. Right now I don't have it, I like left them at home. So yeah, those were amazing. You can like attach your pictures and all that, and it looks like pretty like. Okay, so next product that I'm gonna brag about, not gonna brag actually. So yeah, I bought makeup also from
Meesho app. Oh, I'm carrying a pen.
So yeah, as I was saying, I did buy makeup as well from Meesho app. I did buy like a pack of lipstick and mascara and all that for my best friend Gauri, and yeah, I gave her in that gift swap video. Right now I don't have it. So yeah, and the price range I'll mention on the screen. I would say that कि वो मुझे like lipsticks इतना अच्छा नहीं लगा था. The texture wasn't really fine, but the product was available on other sites as well, and I'm sure कि वो same ही होगा other apps पे भी. तो app की तो कोई गलती नहीं है, but yeah, it was priced lower than like other apps. So yeah, that's the point. That point goes to Meesho. And in the makeup range only, I also got like eyeshadow palette for Gauri only, my best friend, for that gift swap video. I'll surely put like pictures on the screen what all I got, and it was pretty amazing. It was very pigmented, and yeah, it was pretty cute. Like it had like very bright and pigmented colors. So yeah, and that was around for 150 something if I'm not wrong. I'll put on the screen for sure. So yeah, again the point goes to Meesho. And I'm telling you, trust me, Meesho isn't giving me anything, not a single penny उनकी तारीफ ऐसे करने के लिए. It's my user experience, and I really wanna like put it up on screen for you guys. So yeah, so that you can like see what all like goodies are there around you. So yeah, Meesho is like something to grab on. So next product that I love from Meesho is this cute little bralette I got. Yeah, it's a bralette. It is padded and it has a very pretty, sexy, lacy back with these straps on, and I love it. ये shirts के नीचे, like shirt tops के नीचे बहुत अच्छा. I wore it like with a pretty like deep neck purple dress. In one of my video, I'll put a picture if I have. And yeah, it looked pretty amazing, and it was cheaper than other apps, so why not? I mean, every other product I search on Meesho is like available at a lesser price than the other apps, so why not Meesho? Product I'm gonna like praise about is a hot pink blouse that I got from Meesho. It was for about like 200 or something. It wasn't even like complete 250 then, and yeah, I got it from a Meesho hot pink blouse that I wore in my best friend's wedding, one of my best friend's wedding. And yeah, उस साड़ी के साथ जो blouse था वो like मेरे मम्मी ने बना लिया था, and I didn't have any blouse for that, so मैंने थोड़ा दिमाग लगाया, Meesho पे search किया उस color में वो hot pink blouse. It was pretty sexy, pretty like comfortable to wear, and like true to size. I mean, I didn't like have to do anything. I just got it like 2 days before the wedding, and yeah, I was like all set. The color was amazing. It was like bright, shiny, hot pink, and the perfect blouse that I wanted for so long, deep neck and padded, of course. So yeah, it was amazing. So I've got like so many things from Meesho. I have mentioned already like so many times. Again, I'm gonna brag about 2-3 products which I don't have right now. It's this one t-shirt that I got from my brother. It was for around 300 or something. I'm telling you, everything is in the 300 range only. I got this t-shirt. It was very comfortable to wear, like cotton material it was, I guess. I don't know, like cotton mix maybe, but it was pretty comfortable and looked really good, amazing on him. So yeah, it's another good buy. Also gonna brag about one more thing, like you can buy decorative items and everything from Meesho. So yeah, I also got like that, उसको क्या बोलते हैं यार, वो जो balloons birthday पे anniversaries पे पीछे लगाते हैं, metallic balloons kind, happy birthday, happy anniversary वाला. So dumb. So yeah, you can see in the picture, I got that on my parents' anniversary, and I was shocked कि यार ये इतना अच्छा, मतलब सब पे Meesho पे ये सब भी मिल रहा है. And उस टाइम पे तो like भयंकर लॉकडाउन था in May, so we like celebrated my parents' anniversary at home only. So yeah, I got that decorative whatever thing from Meesho, and it was in pretty great like condition. There was no like fault in any balloon or any sort of like decorative item. So yeah, that was amazing as well. मेरे घर में मीशो से इतना सामान आया है कि मैं हॉल करने बैठी तो मुझे ढूंढना पड़ेगा कहाँ कहाँ सामान है. I mean, my mother is even more crazy like than me. She gets like stuff from Meesho like every other day. Like she keeps ordering from them like decorative items, bed sheets and saris, kurtis. She's got so much of stuff from Meesho. So yeah, if I am like this, so it's not my fault, it's my mother's. I got it from my mama. Right कि इतना सामान अगर मेरे घर में आ रहा है तो it must be something good only. I don't like buy anything just like that. Product that I have and I'm gonna like brag about is this kurti, this beautiful ice blue kurti. I think ये मैंने पहले भी like random shopping video में ऐसे दिखाया था. And this is a beautiful kurti. Pardon me for not ironing this, and it looks like a little bit crashed. So yeah, it's a pretty ice blue color and like with this detailing, comfortable, very very beautiful. It's cotton material, that's why it is like this. किसको iron करे बिना ऐसे पहन नहीं सकते हैं, but it's really very comfortable and you can like pair it up, like dress it up or dress it down with anything like white palazzo, like grey palazzo. I wore it once like with a grey palazzo as well, and it looked pretty amazing. I love this kurti. Like I'm not a fan of kurtis like while in daily wear. I don't wear kurtis in daily wear. They are not comfortable for me at all, but this one is really very comfortable. Also got like some jewelry like beaded like choker necklace, mangtika and all earrings wala set something also, and the dainty jewelry also for my best friend again Gauri. And both the pieces were amazing, and the prices were again lower like than the other apps. So yeah, again the points goes to Meesho. I don't have anything like negative to say about Meesho. It's just that I got one dress that was like shown in the picture, like very pretty cute short dress, but it came out to be a like long dress, ankle length dress. That disappointed me a little bit then, but yeah, the quality was still amazing of that dress. I just didn't like it because of the length. It was like pretty odd for me, so that's why I returned that dress. But otherwise I've like got so many products that I haven't even mentioned here. Totally go for it. I'll try to put all the like product numbers, order numbers in the description box. Yeah, there's no links wala system in this Meesho app. You cannot like link it down. There are product numbers, like order numbers, order IDs. So I'll try to like put it in the description box for sure. And yeah, I'll surely put a link down below. With that you can get like 100 rupee or even more off on your first purchase. If you haven't tried it yet, then go for it. And lastly, also if you want to sell some products, like if you like some product and you want to sell it to somebody, you can just put the other person's address there and like put the price with the margin you want to like get for yourself. So that's also available on that, and you can sell all the products like pretty nicely. So yeah, that's also how it functions. I haven't tried it yet. You can for sure. And that brings us to the end of this video. I really hope you liked it, and if you did, then don't forget to press the like button. इतने दिन बाद videos बनाई है, please थोड़ा प्यार दिखाओ. And yeah, do share it with all your friends जिन्होंने Meesho try नहीं किया है, and subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Please do it. It will mean so much to me. We'll meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.